That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic. That black yo magic.
So welcome back to my channel. My name is Miltt, in case you guys do not know by now. And as you can tell by this wig cap, we're going to be doing a wig video. So if y'all know something about me is that I love Bobbi Boss wigs. They make such quality and long-lasting synthetic wigs, and a lot of them are premium synthetic, so they last a very long time. You know, for those who don't want to spend like a bunch of money on lace fronts and stuff like that consistently and on the maintenance of lace fronts, I just feel like Bobbi Boss wigs are just like those go-to wigs that you just need, period. Like, I'm not even, this is not sponsored, I'm just talking my honest opinion for someone who wears wig, because I don't have time to, you know, sit here and do my hair all the time. I could just literally throw a wig on and let my hair grow and just let it breathe when I get home. So without further ado, keep on watching. So this is just how the inside of the cap look. You can see it has 2 pins on top and a pin on the bottom, just to make sure the wig is very secured. This is how the wig looked pre-plucked. As you can see, the parting is very dark and it has a lot of hair in it. I do not like that. And this is my first time getting a Sensational wig, so I'm kind of going to go in and kind of pluck that hair just to make it look as natural as I can and more like a lace front. And this is how the hair looks straight out the package, by the way. You can see kind of like the synthetic lust as well. So right here, I'm just plucking the lace part because, like I said, it was looking way too dark and it was just like way too much hair in it. And literally the hair was just like pulling out very easily. It's just like it wasn't even tied tightly. I don't know if it's just this batch that I felt was really bad, or this is just how all the Sensational Trissa wigs came. So hey guys, I am super duper feeling this wig. This wig is just mad cute. Like, I'm feeling it. Like, I'm feeling it. My sister literally told me I look like I'm in my late 20s. It says I'm only 21, okay? But just remember, this is a synthetic wig, and there you know, is some tangling from time to time because it is a longer unit. So, you know, that is to be expected. You get what you pay for. But if there is some tangling, you can always like just cut the ends as they get knotted, because that's usually the first place where synthetic wigs get knotted. But so just like this, you can say like this body wave type of texture that it came in, and it's just really super cute. It reaches under my boobs, and I'm like 5'5" as a rough estimate. As you guys saw, I did pluck the lace part because it was just looking real crazy. It was just a lot of like black knots in it, and it was just like super brolic and thick, and I was just not feeling it. So I decided to pluck that, and it just looks way more natural, especially without the wig cap, because the wig cap was just looking like way too bright, especially for my skin complexion. That's just not the color of my scalp. So I guess I gotta go, you know, hunting for different color wig caps, because it just was not matching up at all. So yeah, I decided to take the wig cap off, and it looks super fine like this. I do have a very big head, probably, I don't even know the diameter of my head, but you could say for big head friendly people, you're gonna be fighting, you know, trying to like kind of keep it to the front of your head, because it is kind of shifting back. And I even pinned it in my braids itself, so it was just kind of like shifted back, and I gotta shift it forward. So it's like so on big head friendly people. I don't know if my braids are too small, so if that's the case, that's probably why. So I'll probably try to like, you know, make my braids like smaller, and also like try the wig back on to see how it is. But for the most part, like I said, this wig is super cute. It's synthetic, it's body wave. Like I said, 5'5", reach under my boob, and I would recommend this wig to people. But before you even, you know, just watch my video and decide, make sure you do your research on anything you buy. I mean, you could do some edges if you want, but like, I don't got time for that like every single time before I go out to lay my edges, because sometimes I'm just like, you know, like literally flying out the door. All I can do is just probably put some shades on and a wig. But you know, if you put your edges and, you know, do all of that fancy stuff, I'm pretty sure the wig will even look more realistic, or even more like an actual lace front wig. But you know, it's all about, you know, how you could say take care of the wig, how you present the wig, and what you do with the wig. You could make a real cheap wig look real nice. So don't let anybody tell you something different, okay? You heard it from me. It is Miltt approved. It got my approval, and like I said, I am super duper feeling this wig, and they all have a whole bunch of colors on the website, so just don't think that this is the only color. And for those who are asking why I got sunglasses on my head, is literally because this is my first time putting on eyeshadow. Like, I'm not an eyeshadow person at all, as you can see in my other videos. And I don't know, like the color was kind of throwing me off because it was kind of contradicting with the burgundy wig. And I just happened to have some shades that matched the eyeshadow, so I thought it was kind of really cute that it was kind of like the same colorway, and it just kind of popped out more. So I don't know, I just threw them on, and I think it looks like really super cute. And the fact that the hair is very dark and my shirt is very dark, it just allows the two color to pop. But literally that is it. I mean, I don't know what else you want me to say about this video. The most I would do is probably throw a little bit of powder in your wig brush or paddle brush or detangling brush, whatever you want to call it. Just put a little bit of powder in there, kind of brush it through the wig, and that just helps reduce the shine, or you know, that shine you can see right here that synthetic wigs come with. That just helps reduce the shine and make it look even more realistic, like virgin bundles. So I mean, trust and believe, you can fool people. Like I said, it depends on how you style this wig and how you take care of the wig. Okay, so without further ado, I'll see you guys next time.